What's up, everybody? It's Jimmy, and today we are going absolutely wild with canned chicken. That's right, we're ditching the fancy ingredients and proving that you can make mouth-watering snacks with just a can of chicken and a little creativity. We're talking 8, that's right, EIGHT, insanely easy recipes that will blow your mind. Get ready to hit that like button and subscribe because you don't want to miss these game-changing chicken creations. All right, first up, we're hitting you with a classic for a reason. Chicken sandwich melts. Grab your favorite bread, sourdough, wheat, whatever you're feeling. You'll need 2 slices per sandwich. Butter one side of each slice with about a tablespoon of butter. Place 1 slice butter side down in a heated pan. Now, for the star of the show, canned chicken. Use about half a cup per sandwich. Sprinkle some directly onto the bread. Next, layer on some cheese. You'll need about 2 slices or half a cup of shredded cheese. I'm going with cheddar today, but feel free to get wild with pepper jack, mozzarella, or whatever your cheesy heart desires. Now for the secret weapon, a sprinkle of diced onions for an extra flavor explosion. About a tablespoon should do. Top it off with the other slice of bread, butter side up. Toast it on each side over medium heat for about 3 to 5 minutes or until golden brown and the cheese is melty and gooey. And bam, you've got a chicken sandwich melt that will make your taste buds sing. Get ready to impress your friends with these ridiculously easy and delicious chicken and bacon roll-ups. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's talk filling. In a bowl, mix together 1 can of chicken, half a cup of cooked and crumbled bacon, because everything's better with bacon, 4 ounces of cream cheese, and 1 cup of your favorite shredded cheese. I'm using Monterey Jack today for that extra creamy factor. Mix it all up until it's nice and combined. Now grab your crescent roll dough and separate it into triangles. Place a spoonful of the chicken mixture onto the wider end of each triangle. Roll them up, starting from the wide end towards the pointed end. Pop those bad boys in the preheated oven for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until they're golden brown and puffed up. Let them cool for a few minutes because, trust me, you don't want to burn your mouth on these molten lava pockets of deliciousness. Prepare for a flavor explosion with these pull-apart chicken sliders. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grab a pack of 12 dinner rolls and slice them horizontally, almost all the way through, to create a connected base. In a bowl, mix together 2 cups of canned chicken, 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, and half a cup of ranch dressing and a dash of hot sauce if you like a little kick. Stuff that cheesy goodness between the rolls. Wrap the whole thing in foil and bake for 15 to 20 minutes. Remove the foil and bake for another 5 minutes or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Get ready to pull apart, dip, and devour. Chapter 4. Buffalo Chicken Dip, the ultimate game day snack. Get ready for the ultimate crowd pleaser, buffalo chicken dip. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, combine 2 cups of shredded canned chicken, 8 ounces of cream cheese, half a cup of your favorite hot sauce. I'm going with Frank's Red Hot today, half a cup of ranch dressing, and 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Mix it all up until it's smooth and creamy. Pour the mixture into a baking dish and bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until heated through and bubbly. Serve it with tortilla chips, celery sticks, or even carrot sticks for dipping. Trust me, this one will disappear faster than you can say touchdown. Chapter 5. Chicken vol au vent. Fancy snack, easy prep. Elevate your snack game with this surprisingly easy chicken vol au vent. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the puff pastry shells on a baking sheet. In a saucepan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Add 1 cup of diced mushrooms and cook until softened. Stir in a tablespoon of flour, followed by 1 cup of chicken broth and half a cup of milk. Bring the mixture to a simmer and cook until thickened. Stir in 1 cup of shredded canned chicken. Add half a cup of cooked peas. Sprinkle with fresh parsley. Spoon the chicken mixture into the puff pastry shells. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until the pastry is golden brown and puffed up. These elegant little bites are perfect for parties or just a fancy snack attack. Looking for a lighter option? These chicken Caesar salad wraps are here to save the day. In a bowl, combine 1 can of chicken, 2 cups of chopped romaine lettuce, 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and 1/4 cup of creamy Caesar dressing. Warm your tortillas. I like to do it for a few seconds on each side in a dry skillet, then lay them flat and fill them with the chicken Caesar salad mixture. Roll them up tight and secure with a toothpick if desired. Slice them in half and dig in. You can also add some croutons for an extra crunch. You can't go wrong with a classic chicken dip. In a bowl, combine 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1/2 cup of sour cream, 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, and 1/4 cup of diced green onions. And of course, your star ingredient, 2 cups of shredded canned chicken. Mix it all together until it's well combined. Spread the dip into a baking dish and bake it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes, or until it's hot and bubbly. Serve it with crackers, chips, or even fresh vegetables. Last but not least, let's make some chicken nuggets that even the pickiest eaters will love. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. In a bowl, combine 1 can of chicken, 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Mix it all together until well combined. Roll the mixture into nugget shapes. Place the nuggets on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and bake for 15 to 20 minutes, flipping halfway through or until they're golden brown and cooked through. Serve them with your favorite dipping sauces. And there you have it, folks. 8 incredibly easy and delicious canned chicken snacks that will change your snack game forever. Who knew something so simple could be so versatile? Make sure you hit that like button if you enjoyed these recipes and subscribe to my channel for more quick and tasty meal ideas. Let me know in the comments below which recipe you're most excited to try first. And don't forget to share your culinary masterpieces with me on social media. Until next time, happy snacking. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty recipes.